Hello, my name is Paul, and in this video series I'll be guiding you through the process of automating your .NET application deployments with Octopus Deploy. Let's start by taking a look at what Octopus Deploy does. Octopus Deploy is a software package that you download and install on one of your servers, just like you would install SQL Server or Team Foundation Server. What does the Octopus server do? Well, it gives you a really easy way to configure and deploy your ASP.NET web applications and Windows services to your test, staging, and production environments. Along with the Octopus Deploy server, you'll also install a lightweight agent service on each of the machines that you plan to deploy to, for example your web and application servers. We call this service the Tentacle Agent, the idea being that one Octopus server controls many tentacles, potentially a lot more than 8. With Octopus and Tentacle, you can easily deploy to your own servers or virtual machines in the cloud from infrastructure as a service providers like Amazon EC2 or Windows Azure virtual machines. In addition to deploying to Tentacles, Octopus also has special support for deploying Windows Azure Cloud Service projects, as well as to any server that supports FTP or FTPS deployments. We designed Octopus to fit into teams that follow agile delivery practices. Octopus complements your existing services. Developers check their code into your source control system. You might be using Git or TFS or Mercurial. The choice is up to you. Your existing CI, continuous integration, or build server compiles the code and runs unit tests. You could be using Team Foundation Server or JetBrains TeamCity. Again, the choice is up to you. When the build is done, the build server bundles all of the files, that is the binaries, images, scripts, and so on, that are needed to run your application in production. And it takes them and bundles them together into what we call a package, which I'll talk about more in a moment. The job of Octopus then is to take these packages and push them to the machines that they'll be deployed to and configure them. As a release manager, you define the process for deploying the software, including any environment-specific configuration variables. The Octopus web-based dashboard then allows other members of your team to queue deployments. For example, you might enable testers to deploy applications to a test environment, but not to production. This approach means that even if different people are triggering the deployment process is still consistent. It also gives the rest of your team a great insight into which versions of your applications are deployed to which environments. Now, I mentioned that Octopus relies on applications being bundled into packages. What's a package? Well, a package is like a zip file, but with extra metadata stamped on it. Importantly, this metadata includes an ID and a version. All of your packages go to a package repository, which makes it easy to find, say, version 1.3 of your web application in case you ever need to deploy it. There are lots of different specifications for packages out there on different operating system platforms or different development stacks. Octopus uses the NuGet package format. That's the same format that Visual Studio uses for installing projects like jQuery. And there's great support for NuGet in the Microsoft toolchain. I hope that this gives you an idea of what Octopus Deploy is and how it might fit into your software delivery process. Keep watching in the next video where I'll walk you through the process of installing the Octopus Deploy server.